Welcome back to My Favorite Tropes on SpeterTV. You may have heard someone call a character an Expy, but maybe you didn't know exactly what that meant. Well, according to tvtropes.org, an Expy, which is short for an exported character, is a character who is clearly and deliberately based on another older character. There may be some differences in minor traits, but they are very clearly more or less one and the same. Oftentimes, both characters are by the same writer or production team. And this can be because of just writing tendencies, or it can be an attempt to bring back a character that wasn't too popular at first, but they want to try it again. Or when written by a different writer or team, it can be an homage to the older character or its creator. And like all tropes, this is not an exclusively bad thing. An Expy can revitalize a character, or at least a character type. Yogi Bear is an Expy of Art Carney from The Honeymooners. Mickey Mouse is an Expy of Felix the Cat. The Incredibles are pretty much the Fantastic Four, and still the best Fantastic Four movie. And Frozone is pretty much an Expy of Iceman from X-Men. In Wreck-It Ralph, Ralph is an Expy of Donkey Kong, and Fix-It Felix is an Expy of Mario. Snoke and Kylo Ren are Expys of Palpatine and Darth Vader. The Flintstones are an Expy to the Honeymooners, to the point that Jackie Gleason threatened to sue Hanna-Barbera. And Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy are Expys of Batman and Robin, and they were even voiced by Adam West and Burt Ward in a flashback episode. And of course, there are a whole bunch of other examples. And as always, I'll leave a TV Tropes link in the description. So thank you so much for watching. Please like or dislike, share, comment, subscribe. You can describe it to somebody too, but send them the video. Subscribe though.